Hi there friends, welcome to What's Cooking Today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for all you new cooks out there. Today we're gonna make some Kopitiam style soft boiled eggs. Let's get started. Start boiling water in a pot, and once you've got it boiling just like this, turn off the heat. Don't forget to turn off the heat, guys. And gently drop some eggs into the pot. I'm using a ladle right here because you want to gently do so. Now prior to this, I've actually left the eggs from the fridge out at room temperature for about 5 minutes because you want to get them at room temperature before you gently drop them into the pot. And once you drop them all in, take a lid and close it and start your timer at 7 minutes. That's right guys, 7 minutes is the magic number right here. And once you're done, just gently take them out and be careful, it's really hot. So let's start cracking. Now for the soft-boiled eggs, we either have it on its own or just dip it with some kaya toast. It's really your preference. And for me, I like to add a tablespoon of soy sauce and a couple of dashes of white pepper. I love how the soy sauce really brings out that umami flavor to the soft-boiled eggs, and that is what I love. So it's that easy you guys, just remember to set a timer at 7 minutes, and once the water is boiling, remember to turn off the heat. And if your eggs are from the fridge, remember to bring them out for at least 5 minutes in room temperature before you dip it into the boiling water. And it's that easy you guys. Remember to like and subscribe if you guys are new to cooking or just want to know more easy breezy recipes. I'm here for you guys. Bye!